Hello, my name is Margie Bryant and welcome. And today's live is about probiotic yogurt. And I'm just so delighted that I have got this electric yogurt maker and from a dear friend of mine, Tanya Barretto. And I'd love to demonstrate to you how to make a really simple probiotic yogurt. I was talking the other day about prebiotic foods, things like garlic, artichokes, fermented foods, which are the perfect fertilizer for setting up for good digestion. Now I'd like to talk about a probiotic yogurt, which is really helpful to making sure that your immune system is as robust as it can be. So what I've done is I've got the beautiful container here from the cheese maker. Tanya Barretto, private message me, I'd be very happy to give you the details if you'd like to source one yourself. And I've sterilized the equipment, which is the container that is going to incubate the yogurt, and I have heated my milk up to room temperature and we're ready to go so that I can simply show you and demonstrate how to make yogurt. And what I've chosen is a A2 milk. And why A2? Many of the milks that are found in the store is really A1 milk. So you're looking for the protein, and A2 milk is easily digested. So many people have bloating in the tummy and they're just feeling not easy after drinking milk. But with the A2 milk, it can be easier on your digestion. So give it a try. And I find it really great. So it really, you do feel the difference. And you're looking for that protein in your day, and yogurt is a great way to start. So tomorrow I'll be having this yogurt with blueberries and possibly a banana. I've got some lovely bananas there, and a banana is a prebiotic. So that will be enhancing the probiotic yogurt that I'll have. So what I'll do is put into my container now lukewarm milk, the A2 milk, and it can be anything that you choose. So the container primarily takes up to 2 litres, and so I'm wanting to have that beautiful yogurt which will last me for the rest of the week. And what I do is I put in a probiotic, one that is vegan friendly sourced ingredients, one that is sugar free, dairy free and gluten free. Really important for you. So very simple, just reach out and message me and I'll be happy to give you the details. So I just literally open the top. This is going to be 12 billion viable friendly bacteria per serving, so just in one sachet. And I literally hold the container up so that you can see me doing it. Just pour the probiotic into the container and then gently stir with my tablespoon. Just very simply stir the ingredients in, and believe it or not, that's probiotic yogurt. So I pop that into the outer container. It has a lid on it, and I'll hold it up again once I've popped the lid on it, and that will now be set overnight, and I cook it overnight, so for 12 hours later, so 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, I'll be able to have this gorgeous set yogurt. It can rest for longer if it's not set, but 12 hours will be ample for this particular yogurt. And then I put its little hat on and its little dome, which is delightful. I'll just hold it up again so that you can see it, and that'll be doing fine work for us overnight. So that's how to do probiotic yogurt, and reach out and message me and I'd be very happy to share the details with you. Take care and hope you're having an awesome night. Margie Bryant.